Hi you guys, we're back for part 2 of this lesson. Okay, I moved to page 400 because I like these problems. Okay, our first one, we are going to have to multiply 6n squared and 7. Okay, that gives us 42n positive, or n squared I should say. And it's a positive. Okay, but I need a negative here. So that lets me know I need two negatives. So I have -1 and -42. That gives me -43. That's not going to work. I have -2 and -21, which is -23. And voila, I found it. Okay? So I'm now going to rewrite my middle term. I now have 6n squared minus 2n minus 21n plus 7. Okay? I changed this -23n into these two terms. Now, I'm going to factor by grouping. I'm going to put them in the two groups. Okay, I'm looking for my GCFs right away. I'm going to bring down my middle sign. Okay, 6n and 2n. 2, 3, and then 2 n's. 2n, -2n, -1, 2, and n. They have a 2 in common and an n. So, GCF is 2n. Now I'm going to go over to the second group. Okay, I can see right away 7 goes into 21 perfectly. So there's my 7. So I have 2n minus 7. That is right away. I've got my GCFs going. Okay, now I need my twins. So now here comes the parentheses. Okay, I have a 3 and an n left. And here, all I have is a -1. Now, I already know it's an identical twin, so it is going to look exactly the same. 3n minus 1. And voila, here we go. Okay. Now here is a very similar problem but with much smaller numbers. Okay, so I'm going to multiply the two 2's, so that gives me 4. And I know I'm going to need two negatives to equal 5. Well, -1 and -4 definitely equal -5. That was my first one. I don't need to keep on going. My only other factor is 2 and 2, and that's not going to equal 5. So, my new middle term, 2y squared minus 1y minus 4y plus 2. Okay? I'm going to factor by grouping. Bring down my sign. Okay, the only thing I see they have in common is a y. And I can see I have a 2 right away there. So I have y minus 2. Okay, GCFs already are here. Now I'm looking for my twin. 2y squared divided by y, 2y. And -1y divided by y is -1. Here's my twin. My identical twin is going to be right here. So I have 2y minus 1. And this is my twin. Okay? And here are my answers. Please remember, if you have any questions, please ask. I'm going to have a Google Meet on Wednesday at 10 o'clock. All right? I will talk to you later. Hope to see you at Google Meet.